This is called Pencils in the Graves of Literary Giants. She wandered down the road from Hillsborough, famous town of the wildest plain. She found herself alone at Sleepy Hollow Cemetery, where all New England souls are tucked away. Emerson and Alcott, Hawthorne and Thoreau, all those written offerings reminded her of home. Pencils in the graves of literary giants, how could her uncertain voice compare? She spent so many years always keeping herself silent when she had so many words to share. Transcendental talents undiscovered, a bred a moral genius in the grind. Revolution poetry, scribbled and forgotten, secrets hidden, never to be found. Emerson and Alcott, Hawthorne and Thoreau, reading inspiration is all she'll ever know. Pencils in the graves of literary giants, how could her voice have? She spent so many years always keeping herself silent when she had so many words to share. Hawthorne and Thoreau, all aspiring authors are eventually lay low. Pencils in the graves of legendary writers, where the gravestones rotting on a hill. There's book clubs and salons, university all-nighters, so many empty notebooks left to fill. Revolution has spread from a single spot. They're trying to keep her quiet, make her disappear. But if she keeps writing, someone somewhere will know that she was here. Someone somewhere will know that she was here. Someone somewhere will overcome their fear. Pencils in the graves of literary giants can't erase what always happened.